Okay, yeah, we're back. Remember when I said that this was the first time I'd ever used the Easy Pack bag, whether it's the Marine Gear Lube, the Transmission Fluid, the Diff Fluid? It's the first time I'd ever used it, right? And of course, you know, I took the cap off and I cut the spout. Yeah, might want to follow the instructions, because yeah, there's a freaking cap on there that you got to take off if you want the fluid to come out of the bag. So hey, yeah, now I can't believe that none of you savvy techs haven't seen my mistake and have been busting my cojones about it in the comments. But yeah, that's what you get here. We're talking full transparency. Yeah, that bag was really, the fluid was coming out of there slow. So now, no time lapse, doing it the way you're supposed to be. Cut the spout, take the freaking cap off the top of the bottle. And now, yeah. Is that not freaking nuts? Flatter than a tube of toothpaste that Sam Crowley has squeezed everything out of. And check this out over here. Can you see this? Got them just hanging here, ready. Here comes bag number 2. Do this a little differently. Then cut that puppy off. Pull this. And let me use this one because it's sharper. Oops. Making a mess here. It's supposed to be no mess, less waste. Unless you let It's Doug here do it, when he clearly has not used the bag yet. Sold a bunch of them. Thank you very much, all of you that have purchased them. Okay, here we go. Bag number 2. Did anybody time that? And another thing I did, I have no shop rag under here at all. So let's fix that. Put the cap back on there so we don't make a mess. Got the other bag, and let's go find a shop rag, because I probably should have had that in the first place. Go. Yeah, that's not wheat, that's where I spilled some, so we're not quite there yet. Gotta watch your head here. Just what I needed. Centos was just here. Yep, thanks to the Centos folks for making sure we got plenty of rags, and we go back under one last time. And did you guys see that? Did you guys see me like a moron? Did you see me hit my head on the undercarriage of my van? Okay, here we go. So now, wipe this off. Shop rag. Thank you, Centos. Number 3. We're gonna do this with no gloves. Oh my God. Let's be fair. Gear lube can be kind of messy. So it's amazing when you read the instructions, you pay attention to what you're doing, for heaven's sakes. It's amazing how easy these bags really are to use. And you know, here I'm fairly competent mechanical kind of stuff. I'm not a professional mechanic, but it is the first time I've ever used these, and third time's the charm. It just makes it so much. But I need this tool. Yeah, forget vanity. I gotta see. not having a light on the subject. Want to watch for the fluid to weep out of the fill port, and there it goes. Yep, there it goes. Got it a little overfilled, as you can see. But I think we're good. And that's it. All that's left is to tighten up the plug in the diff, and we are ready to go. Compliments of the Amsoil Easy Pack bag. I want to thank the guys at Mikey's for letting me put this on the lift, and for that puppy there, which made it a lot easier to get all the fluid out. But yeah, guys, gals, you can get these here at Mikey's Automotive. If you don't live near here, hit me up. Doug at usasynthetics.com, the Amsoil guy. And we'll get you hooked up with anything you need in the way of Easy Pack, because Amsoil has these for Gear Lube, 75-140, 75-90, 75-110 now. There's a new 80, 90. Yeah, a bunch of different options for different fluids where it's tough to put it in, like in the differential here. Let me know. We'll get you hooked up. See ya.